Boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Kailin with another video, and today we're going to get into something that I am super passionate about and something that I hope that you guys love. If you guys watch my videos on a regular basis, you love makeup just as much as I do. And if you're new, I hope that you will like this series that I'm starting. We are talking about skincare. Really quickly, I just want to put a little disclaimer out there. I am not an esthetician, I am not a dermatologist, and my advice does not replace either of the two. I just want to share the knowledge that I have learned. I have asked a lot of questions to a lot of dermatologists and a lot of estheticians and learned a lot in the last 6 years. And there's so much information in skincare that I can share with you guys. Now, my goal in sharing anything that has to do with skincare is never to make you feel shame for your current skincare routine, and it's never to shame you into buying a product or to do something with your skincare. I just want to share my knowledge, what I have learned, and help build a community for skincare lovers and people who want to learn more about it. So if you guys do want to be a part of the community and you guys want to comment down below favorite products or things that you don't like, maybe products I recommend that you don't like, please let us know your skin type, let us know why or why you don't like it, because that will help other people who are similar to you decide whether or not it's a good idea to try, whatever the case may be. Now, today's video, we are talking all about double cleansing, and if there is one goal that I have for you guys and myself, that is to ditch makeup wipes as much as we can. There is a time and a place if you're quickly cleaning up your makeup. Sometimes it can help change a look. I think I used a makeup wipe in my last video, so there is a time and a place. I'm not saying you are going to hell if you're using makeup wipes, but on a daily basis, they can cause a ton of irritation to your skin. If you notice that your skin is getting patchy dry marks, or your skin is extra sensitive, irritated, inflamed, that can all be caused by the makeup wipes. Not only that, tugging on your skin like that can cause premature aging, it can cause your collagen to break down, and it can cause sensitivity to the sun. And the sun, if you guys do not know yet, the sun causes most of the damage that ages us, gives us acne, hyperpigmentation. It can cause a lot of problems. Now, if you're 16 and you're like, I don't give a crap about sun damage, I don't care about wrinkles, I don't need to worry about that. Girl, boy, you will care when you are messing up your skin, pushing that product further into your pores and causing acne, but that's none of my business. So I'm going to help you guys find a little alternative, because we do not have to use makeup wipes. There are amazing alternatives that work better, and your skin will thank you in advance. I personally love double cleansing because it allows you to get your makeup off, and then the rest of your products truly do their job. Your cleanser can cleanse, your toner can tone, and then the rest of your serums can penetrate and do what they are supposed to do. What is double cleansing? Double cleansing is exactly what it sounds like. That first cleanse that you do is the one that you get all your makeup off, SPF, previous skincare, whatever you've got on your skin. It helps break down whatever is there. And then the second cleanse is the more traditional cleanse, where you go in with the cleanser that you probably have sitting on your counter right now, and you just let it do its job. So let's dive into the first step in double cleansing, which is the makeup removal process. You can use a balm, which is my personal favorite. You can use an oil. You can use a micellar water. I personally don't buy into the whole micellar water trend. If you have one that you love, link it down below. I'm sure some people love it. I just personally prefer balms over oils and micellar water. The one that I love the most is this one. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. By the way, no products in this are sponsored. Sure wish they were, because I spend hella money on it, but it's totally cool. They're worth it. I love this. This is my favorite balm of all time. I do not think that there is a better one. My second pick for balms would be the Clinique one, but I personally don't think that it measures up to this one in my personal opinion. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the balm. So it comes in this like little thing, and it's like a butter. It's green, and I just take it on dry skin and I work it. That's why I had makeup on the back of my hand. I bet you were wondering, like, what is wrong with this girl? There's actually foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, and I let it sit because I wanted you guys to know what it was like after it's sitting on my hand. I just take the product and I work it into the makeup, and it just breaks up all of that makeup like that. See? It's just getting rid of all of it. Now, if you have a hard time removing waterproof mascaras, which is what's underneath, you can use a little bit of this. This is the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips by Clinique. I do like this one. This is my favorite eye makeup remover. But this is just so good. It just breaks up all of the makeup, and then your face is gonna get real cute for a real hot second. It doesn't feel super oily, so it doesn't wanna stick to your skin. And then once I feel like that's all broken up, I like to take a little bit of water Now, if you're doing this at home, you're gonna take water and rinse your face and start rinsing this off. It kind of turns into its own cleanser. It almost gets like milky, and then I like to just rinse it off, and then it takes off all the makeup. I'm going to rinse this and find a towel, one sec. And then I just wipe it away with my fingers. I don't like to use a lot of cotton pads. I don't like to use a lot of materials on my skin because I have very, very sensitive skin. On my hand, I don't feel like it's that big of a deal, but it got rid of everything. Now, when you're doing this on your face, you're just working it into your skin. I just do circular motions, keep it super simple, not violent. You don't wanna like go like this or scratch or anything like that. Just like gentle circular motions. This product works so well. You don't need to be intense with it. Then I just do 3 quick rinses and then I have no more makeup on my face, as you guys saw on my hand. Now, the reason why I prefer balms over oils, and this balm in particular over other balms, is because I have found with a lot of other products, the balm wants to stay on your skin, which creates a second problem because you're trying to get makeup off your skin and then you put a balm on and then the balm doesn't want to come off your skin. So I personally love this one because it comes off really easily. I just have to do those 3 quick rinses and then it's all gone, nothing to worry about, and then I can go straight into my other cleanser and I'm not spending 20 minutes trying to get the oil or the balm off my skin. Now, the whole second cleanse is really just the more traditional cleanse, using the product that you probably already have sitting on your counter. And if not, I really like this one. This is the Derm E Sensitive Skin Cleanser with Pignogenol and aloe vera. It is a drugstore brand, so it is super easy to get your hands on, but this is my current favorite. It's a water-based cleanser. Now, when you're picking a cleanser, there's 4 really popular ones that you can choose from. You can get a foaming cleanser, you can get a cream cleanser, you can get a water-based cleanser, and a gel cleanser. I personally like water-based and gel cleansers. The reason why I'm not obsessed with cream and foaming is because foaming can really dry your skin out. The only thing that sucks is that foaming is really, really good at removing your makeup. So if you do use a foaming cleanser, please, please hydrate your skin afterwards. But that is one of the reasons I don't personally like to use foaming cleansers. Cream cleansers, I do really like cream cleansers actually, but the only thing is they don't do a good job at removing your makeup, and a lot of cream cleansers want to just stay on your face. There are a few good cream cleansers that I have found. One's by CeraVe, and then there's a few others, but I really personally, it's more hit or miss when it comes to cream cleansers. I feel like with gel cleansers and water-based cleansers, you really kind of can find one that works for you a lot easier than you can for foaming and for cream. I personally like water-based the most. This one is a water-based cleanser. Gel cleansers can also cause a little bit of drying on the skin, so just beware of that when you're looking for one. A few that I really love are the Kate Somerville Goat's Milk. That whole line, love. I also like the Kate Somerville Papaya one. It's a green cleanser. It's just like really nice. It's actually for acne prone skin, but me having sensitive and acne prone skin, I found that it worked really well for me and didn't dry my skin out. It didn't harm my skin, and it worked really, really nicely. And then surprisingly, and the reason why this is surprisingly is because I have been burned by this brand in skincare far too many times, but Neutrogena has a daily gentle cleanser that I really like. And then there's CeraVe. CeraVe has a few that I really like. So I'm gonna link those down below for you guys. If you have more oily skin, you're gonna wanna pick something that's a little bit more gel-like water-based. Whereas if you have dry skin, I would recommend a cream, but make sure that you are using something to remove makeup because creams just really aren't that good at removing makeup. As I said a second ago, I love this Derma E cleanser. When I'm picking a cleanser, I just like to find something that is simple, straight to the point, and does its job. You do not need something that is from the depths of the ocean that is going to bring your radiance level to fish scale level and make you look like a mermaid falling from the sky. You don't need it. You need something that will take care of your skin and that's gonna do your job. Don't get super, super sucked into the whole marketing ploys when it comes to skincare. This one is fragrance free. I know that a lot of people with sensitive skin do have problems with fragrance. I personally do not have a problem with fragrance, which is hilarious because I have very sensitive skin, but for me, it's more based on materials and the active ingredients that are in the skincare products. So if you guys do like fragrance-free, I think you will love this one. It's also really good at removing any makeup in case this one doesn't remove it all. It doesn't leave a residue on my skin or any leftover product, which I personally loathe when it comes to any kind of cleansing product, as you guys probably already have guessed. It also is pH balancing, so it's not gonna strip your skin. It's fragrance free. It also is sulfate free. Did I already mention that? I don't know. But it's just a really great simple cleanser that I feel like you can trust whether you have dry, oily, combination, whatever skin type. I have oily skin, but now that I live in Denver, my skin is definitely like teetering on the whole combination side because it's so absolutely crazy dry here. It's wild. If you guys don't know, now you know. But everywhere else I am oily, so I kind of know what it's like on both sides. So yeah, I love this one for both oily and for dry. It's just a good cleanser regardless. But yeah, when you're picking a cleanser, just go with something that's simple. Just go with something that's gonna do its job and something that you can trust. You don't need something crazy fancy. Now, skincare is self-care, so if you wanna drop a lot of money on skincare, do not feel shame for that, and do not let people tell you you're crazy. Girl, do whatever you want. I personally love spending a lot of money on skincare just because I'm obsessed with the whole self-care industry. I love the experience that it gives me. I love the connection that I have with it. So don't let anybody dictate your skincare routine. I hope that what I have shared with you guys today helps you guys understand double cleansing a little bit more, because it is so amazing and it is such a good alternative to using makeup wipes in your routine. I mean, if you do have to clean up your makeup look or you have to do something quick with it, I mean, I don't really see the issue with it. But if you are using it on a regular basis, I just really want to challenge you guys to try using a double cleansing product. Try this one. There is no better one. You would be starting from the best of the best. I truly don't think that there is a better product that beats that one in the whole balms category. But yeah, this really sums it up for double cleansing and cleansing in general. I hope that you guys love this video, and I hope that if you're new, you guys want to stick around. If you do, don't forget to subscribe down below and find me on social media at Kailin Chase. I'll put everything down in the description box below. And until next time, I love you guys so, so much. Have a great week. Be nice to people. Don't be a douche. Don't be a douche. Ooh, ah. Don't be a douche. And have a great week. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye, beauties.